Okay, this red sack bag that we bought from the Pembina Value Village for $8.49. It sold for $45. I've never heard of red sack before, but apparently it's desirable and a lot of people wanted it. So, but yeah, it sold for $46. So really good deal on that. These sunglasses missing a couple of rhinestones. I paid $6.99 for the glasses minus 30%, and then I paid $5.80 or $5.40 for the case. So in total, we're invested about $11 into these two things, and I sold it for $26. So just wanted to show you guys an update on those two sales today. Got my lemon water. I drink this every day, and my vitamins. Anyway, that's not what I'm filming. I just wanted to show you this Vince Camuto bag that we just sold for $75. You guys saw this in the vlog, and I paid, I believe, $24 for it. So I made like $55. I don't know my math. I think I made like $54 or $55 profit on this bag. It's a really nice bag, but I have way too many bags to keep. The leather is really nice and supple and soft, and I'm actually surprised it sold for that much. I know Vince Camuto can be expensive, but I don't know. Maybe just the style of it, because there's like suede panels. I don't know, but I made a pretty decent profit on this. Hey everybody, we're at Value Village. You know the drill. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna find things, and if you don't find things, then that's okay too. What the hell? So the Calvin Klein hasn't sold yet. Let's take a gander. What is this? This is actually authentic, I think. Is it even worth it? I don't even know. I mean, it looks authentic. But how's that? The corner wear. I saw this a couple of weeks ago. I thought it was a gift with purchase. Seems substantial. It's cute, but I just don't think it's going to sell for us. It's just not my target demographic. They ain't gonna like that. Is this Victoria's Secret? No. Nothing. Roots. Okay, let's look on the side. Oh, by the way, the Vince Camuto bag that I paid $20 for, it sold for $75. So, such a good profit on that. I don't really see anything interesting off the bat. It's kind of cute, like a little fanny pack. Okay, so I don't really see anything here. We're just gonna go check the electronics section and see if we find anything there. Other than that, nada. Okay guys, we're at Dollarama because I need some baby wipes because I need to clean this car. This car is looking nasty and ratchet. Like, why the F do I need two freaking... That's the one thing that cars need is garbage. Dedicated garbage bags because... Like, I'm always doing this with my garbage. Like, it's so freaking annoying. Look at that. Look at that shit. Anyway, like, look at how gross that is. Like, that. Like, ugh. Freaking disgusting. Like, people who ride in this car are disgusting. Like, so much junk and dust. And I just need to clean this shit up. It's disgusting. They have, like, a whole freaking, like, hair removal system going on here. This is probably like 10 bucks at Walmart. Here it's 4 bucks. I still have some at home, actually. Oh, we need baby wipes. Clean that disgusting car. Good to get like soap here, and what else is good to get here? Look at Nivea Men. That's a brand name.
Caroline, thanks for having Bob along. We're glad to have you with us. Got some Billy Joel.
Their tuna here is only $1, and they have mayo for $2.50. That's like a deal. Ooh, asparagus. Okay, so we're at Value Village by Polo Park. There's going to be the last stop of the day, even though we only went to one place and Dollarama. But, yeah, I walked into Dollarama buying, with the intent of just buying baby wipes for $2.50. But I ended up spending like 10 bucks instead, because no, 12 bucks, 11 bucks. $11.50 because I bought some batteries because my keyboard is low on battery. I bought some olive oil for a friend. And I bought some tuna because I'm not completely vegan yet, and some salmon for my dogs because I feed them salmon. But we're gonna go inside. I'm not really hopeful to find anything, but I'm not optimistic to find anything, but I'm hopeful. Kind of like my love life. I'm not optimistic, but I'm hopeful. It's actually not too bad today, like weather-wise. It's still like -16, but whatever. I'm wearing the scarf that one of my subscribers gave me, so thank you to, I forgot who gave me the scarf, but thank you nonetheless. Anyway, I'll see you guys inside. Who's that cute guy? What's your name? What's your name? Ooh. Let's look over here. Nope, nothing here either. If you guys saw that, why I pointed the camera to that guy, because clearly he's a reseller because he's like looking up video games or something. I know, I see what you're doing. Okay. Oh, I saw some damn Longchamp. London Fog. What is this? Cal Brand is this? Hillary Radley? You ain't nobody. What brand is this? Danier? Come on, Danier? No. Nothing. Nothing. And nothing. What is this? Bottega Veneta? No. We're so in love. La 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 la. Yeah, we're so in love. La 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 la. What is this? This looks like leather. 3-star? Why is it 3-star? Okay. Not hopeful whatsoever. Not leather. Is it still charged the same? Yeah, it is. Things here haven't been too exciting to find things because before you can find like Kate Spade, you can find some NK. Now it's kind of slim pickings. I don't see anything that stands out. Like we'll still look around, but I honestly don't see anything. Okay guys, so we found nothing here today, which is fine. We will try again another day. Anyway, thank you for coming thrifting with me today. So I will see you guys in the next video. So Panda Thrift on Instagram said that there is lug bags at the Marshalls, but it's all the way in Kildonan Place Mall, which is like a 20-minute drive, which is like far from where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna check this Marshalls and see if they have it here, because sometimes when they put out at one, they put out at others. Kind of like horrors at the bar. Anyway, we'll check. I hope they have. It'll save me a trip. I just want to show you guys this bag. It is super cute. It's like, kind of like a suede though, so it's not really like a desirable material, but I love the color. The leather is really nice too. It's $90, which is not bad, but it's a cute bag. I don't see any lug bags here, which is unfortunate. I don't really want to drive all the way there. It's just a far place to drive, only to end up like empty-handed, so. And I mean, my profit margin on that is only going to be like $12. Ooh, this is cute. It's only like $12, so is it even worth it, you know? $2.29, holy crap. I lost her mind. I have the Kipling, another Kipling. No lug bags. I don't see any. Oh, that's kind of interesting. They have Kipling luggage for $100. Let's go over here. And let's go check the makeup. They have this MAC lip and cheek thingy for $12.99. Pass. They have MAC wipes, which is $20. I think this retails for like, I don't know how much it retails for, but I rarely see these here. So, and they're sealed. I think it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. I think we're gonna grab this because color. I think we're gonna grab this. Ooh, is this Anastasia? What is this? Lip palette. We don't need a lip palette. Oh, we have a lip palette over here too. Guess we can look inside and see. So here's what the lip palette looks like. Ugh. I would like never wear that. If they had like the contour kit, like for the face, I'd probably get that. What is this? Aurora Glow Kit. Ugh, $30. Metallic powder highlighters. We don't need that. They have like a Stila. They have some MAC lippies too. I'm thinking, why do I use this? I don't even like wear makeup that much anymore. I still have one like full case, one package of this as well. MAC wipes. I don't know. They have these Michael Kors winter jackets. They're kind of cool. $130. It's kind of interesting. Here's one. Ooh, it's a 2X. I didn't know MK sold in 2X. Interesting. That is kind of huge. I mean, no offense to anybody who's 2X. I mean, I'm like a 3X, so. I just didn't know they went up in that size. There's MK too. This one. It's very like military Janet Jackson Rhythm Nation circa 1989. Ooh, this one's cute too. What size is this? Large. This is kind of cute. Actually, no, I don't like that. Calvin Klein. I have this MK when it's DKNY. So look in the men's bag section. They have this really cute Cole Haan for $2.50. It's like a duffel. It's like really nice leather. Then they have this Fossil. I think it's, no, it's not leather, but it's nice. $200. It's really cute actually.